Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the office promo code or the discount code, then this video is for you. So first you can search for the main website, that is the official website office.co.uk, where you can find different types of promo and discounts. Here you can see there is a summer sale up to 50% off, so you can grab it by simply click on this banner and you can grab this from here. That here you can see some more, so like say 30%, 21, 22%, 21% here, and more of them 25, 32, and up to 50% discounts here. And also you can get a 10% student discount. You can click on this here and you can get a student bins code here or get Unidays code here. Simply click on it, and from here they will actually give you some promo codes. Here it is. So get code and open site. Here you can find the 10% off discount, student discount codes, and up to 60% off sale discount code here. Now simply click on get code and open the site here. So it will show you the code here, like here student bins. Now you have to log into this platform and you will get this code and you can use it in every checkout. Now there is some other website that like everysaving.co.uk/shop/office.co.uk, and this URL will redirect you to this page where you can find all types of promo code that offered by Office. So here it is. So some code might get expired, so you should do is check it one by one and see which one actually work for you. This is for discount, so if you click on it, there will be no promo code or discount code, but it will redirect you to the discount page, as like I show you. There will be a free delivery over €80 here also, so you can find the terms and conditions from here. So you have to read this and follow this to get the off on the delivery. So now the second one is like sheerlux.com/vouchers/office.co.uk. If you follow this URL, you can find this page where you can also find some different kinds of interesting deals and discounts from the Office. So you can do is simply click on get code, and it will show you the instruction or show you the code here. So you have to simply click on copy, so or you have to do is sign up to the Office to get the code here. So if you have signed up for the first time in the like here, you can find this student 10% off here. So you can sign up for Office account, for a new account, and you are good to go to get the deal. So here you can see. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.